Now I want to focus on something new we're adding to our dictionary. Notice this line here, cross-section types. Those square brackets that are in the value area of that line, cross-section types, where that's the key, the value is in brackets. That tells us we're creating a list. This is Python's way of storing multiple related items in a specific order. A list is different from a dictionary. While dictionaries store key value pairs, lists store multiple items in sequence. So the order matters in a list. In our case, cross-section types contains a list of strings showing the different 3D shapes that appear when a 4D tesseract intersects our 3D world. This isn't random, it's the actual mathematical sequence. When a tesseract moves through 3D space, it appears first as a complete cube, then a rectangular prism, then a rhombus, and finally just a point. Notice how we're combining data structures here. Our dictionary uses a string as the key, cross-section types, and a list as the value. And this shows how Python lets you mix different data types to organize complex information. Lists are perfect because the order represents the progression from most complete to least complete manifestation. The square brackets tell Python these items belong together in the specific sequence. Now, unlike strings, lists in Python are mutable, meaning you can change them after they're created. You can add new items, remove existing ones, or modify items at specific positions. For example, if we discovered a new cross-section type for tesseracts, we could add it to our existing list without creating a completely new list. This mutability makes lists great for data that need to grow or change over time, like collecting observations or building sequences dynamically in your program. We're going to go ahead and build out the rest of our self.dimensional forms dictionary. We've got 4 internal dictionaries inside of this one-dimensional forms dictionary. And each one of these internal dictionaries, these nested dictionaries, has similar data, cross-section types lists on the last line of each and every dictionary inside of the dimensional forms dictionary.